Um, Ma'am Josie and my teammates agreed that I have performed a better coaching performance on my second presentation.
I can be effective as a coach if I do coaching regularly and continuously improve myself. As, as I saw myself on the VTR and from the feedback I received, the following are my strengths. First, nakita ko yung I have a varied facial expressions. So this depending on the behavior na I was focusing on for the rep. Second one is yung attentive listening. So I learned na yung yung by simply nodding is actually a form of affirmation.
The voice is happy, di ba? Pag ikaw disappointed or sad or frustrated, then you show that in your facial expression and the tone of your voice. Okay, that is high quality, assertive communication. Self-management. What do you do with the strengths that you have? Continue. And what do you do with the areas for improvement? Improve on them. What needs stopping? You stop. Diba? What needs stopping? You stop. What needs starting? You start. That's the second step. The two of them go together. Because without the two of them, there will be no improvement. Ito na sinasabi natin, change. I have changed. I have improved. You cannot bring about improvement unless you are first aware. Diba? Pangalawa, then therefore, start and stop and continue. That's what we did in the NDP, remember? Okay, then of course the third part there is social awareness. Being aware of the needs of your med reps. See? And when you talk with them, you surface their needs and concerns. Is it not? Then you become sensitive to these needs. And what do you do? As a servant leader, remember you're a servant leader, knowing their needs, what do you do? Give them what they need. And what do they need most? Coaching to develop them. See? Alam mo itong coaching is a developmental tool for your med rep. No doubt about that. I know you realize that. But it's also your developmental tool. What do you develop? Ano man i-develop mo when you do coaching? Ano man i-develop mo? Your leadership, your emotional quotient. Diba? And that is what will cement your relationship with your med rep. Remember on day one? One of the three reasons why med reps stay and leave or leave. Of course, number one, sinabi ko sa inyo, compensation. Alawa, meron bang opportunity for growth? Oh yeah, pasok na ngayon ang coaching. Meron bang opportunity for career advancement? That's the third. So, tatlong C. Cash, compensation, diba? Career advancement, growth. So remember that. And you develop also your strong positive relationship with them. Non-assertive to the senior med reps. No older than us, or senior than us, or batchmates natin. Aren't we like that? We feel conscious. So what happens? Naging non-assertive ka na lang. So you're tolerating the negative behavior by not calling the attention of the person. O, magbigay ka na kayo ng reaction, sinabi ko. Ano yan? Human behavior yan. I don't need to be in your shoes.